Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody. Pardon me. Welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you guys a little bit of label action. This one. Get you a little bit of box and label action on this one. By this box, you guys should know what these are already. Let's get the blue paint splattered box. You guys a little bit of label action here as well. Let it focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 4 Retro White and Midnight Navy, aka the Jordan 4 Midnight Navies. Got the adult and the grade school. I'm going to start with the grade school or big kids, whatever it is. Check the shoe out. Not a bad shoe. These shoes went crazy. Sold out pretty fast. I think they're going for probably about 300 right now. I can't remember. Grade schools I think are going for about $230. Not a bad shoe. Comes out with the kind of tumbled leather. It's not the best quality on this grade school pair. It's kind of stiff. Everything still seems pretty cool. Get the whole paint spattered type material. Standard Jordan 4 bottom. Light on. Nothing special. Like I said, that's not the best quality shoe, but you guys look at that toe box. That's my biggest concern. See little paint speckles. Nothing special on the inside of the shoe. Like I said, all tumbled leather. Midnight Navy lower. Gray paint speckles. Midnight Navy eyelets. White back netting. Sorry about that, guys. My camera cut off. Same on this side. Let's get to the next shoe before my camera does something else. This is the adult pair. Check it out. Oh yeah, guys, much higher quality. Much higher quality. So if, in my opinion, if you're going to get pairs, please just get the adult pair. Same design on the whole shoe, just in much better materials. Much higher quality leather. Tongue isn't as good though. Tongue isn't as good at all. It's kind of sitting in there kind of weird, but it's okay. So, you know what you guys think about this shoe? Did you go to cop a pair of the Midnight Navies? Are you going to buy a pair of the Midnight Navies? I know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!